By reading the title of the video, you get it right. But then some of you think this is a dream, right? How is it possible to make money online listening to music alone? A bit odd. But wait, as absurd as it sounds, there are tons of sites that will actually pay you just for listening to music. You know we don't do any shit on our channel, so all of this is legit. If you want to satisfy your curiosity about this, stay tuned up until the end as we bring your attention to what might leave you in awe. Before we go through the full details, please note that this isn't going to be a huge income. You'll get paid, yes, but it can never settle all your bills, and for how much you can make per site, it really depends. Different sites pay different rates. And why would someone pay you to listen to music? You'll realize that to process your payments, you're required to leave some feedback. Your feedback is important to artists, especially new artists who are trying to break into the market. They use your feedback to make adjustments to their work, like their voice pitch in certain parts of the song, how they play certain instruments, or whether or not to include any intricate melody for the guitar solo during a concert, in order to make it better. It's the exact same reason why companies pay you to answer surveys or participate in focus groups. So, without much ado, here are the companies that will pay you to listen to music at the comfort of your home. So, don't move a muscle. Number 10. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Nielsen TV rating is popular, and you've probably heard about it. This company pays you for watching TV. Nielsen gives away almost $10,000 each month. And where does the money come from? Well, other networks use its data to find out how many people watch certain shows. They basically pay you to install their free app on any of your devices so they can gather data for market research purposes on how people use their devices, like what kinds of sites you like or what kinds of music you listen to. The data is gathered anonymously, so no personally identifiable information will be shared, and you get paid $50 per year for installing their free app. Number 9. MusicRay. MusicRay is one of the most popular platforms for singers and songwriters, especially up-and-coming artists, to get their music out there in front of potential fans. The platform purports to offer two money-making opportunities. You can get paid to listen to music, essentially 10 cents a song, or if you're a musician, you can upload tracks and have producers consider them for lucrative opportunities. But people who have used the site say it isn't what happens. If you want to upload your music, you pay them a fee that ranges from $15 to $20, then cue the crickets. If you want to get paid to listen to music, you sign in and they pay you 10 cents for each song you review. But the site only pays out when you earn $20 or more through PayPal. You can try it out, and if it's not worth your time, it won't cost you a cent making a step back. Number 8. Playlist Push. Anybody who likes to create and share playlists will probably fall in love with this site, making the connection between curators and artists better. Playlist Push is a music promotion service that is built to help artists and curators discover new music together on one platform. If you're a TikTok artist, a Spotify playlist curator, or something in between, Playlist Push has a little something for everyone. So basically, the platform helps independent artists get their music in front of potential fans by allowing fans, playlist curators, to monetize their playlists. It's a win-win for both, the playlist curator and independent artists. You make some extra cash by curating playlists and sharing them online, and independent artists who might not yet have the money or name recognition get to have their music listened to by potential fans. Number 7. Radio Loyalty. Radio Loyalty is just an internet radio where you can listen to radio programming that includes music from thousands of radio stations around the world. So you're paid to listen to music and giving your opinion of it. However, you get paid in points, and not a lot of them. You get points worth less than 50 cents an hour. Radio Loyalty points can be turned into gift cards when you earn enough of them. Now, you're not technically getting paid for listening to music. Rather, you're paid for listening to ads in between breaks. Every 10 minutes you listen to the radio earns you 10 minutes. You can then redeem your points for gift cards. Number 6. Hit Predictor. If you're familiar with focus groups and paid online surveys, you know that a lot of companies use feedback from panelists to fine-tune their products before releasing them to the market. Hit Predictor is a website that will pay you to listen to music that has yet to be released, rate it, and leave feedback. You'll be paid in points for each song you listen to and rate. The points you earn then can be redeemed for prizes that you can find on the website's prize store, so the company pays you for your opinions. Artists then use the opinions and feedback to determine whether they can release the new song or album as is or to make adjustments first. And you're not limited either. You can find music in all kinds of genres, including classical, jazz, rock and roll, and even hard rock and heavy metal. Number 5. Slice the Pie. If you're a music or TV fan, then Slice the Pie could be another perfect way for you to make some extra money in the evenings. It's also a review site that pays you, yes, in cash, for sharing your honest opinions on new unsigned artists and upcoming TV shows. It sounds like the dream moneymaker, but there's a slight catch. Earnings are pretty low and you certainly won't get rich overnight. To be eligible for payment, you have to listen to each track for at least 60 seconds. Once you're done with listening, you answer a few questions about the track and what you liked and disliked. As for how much you can make, each review pays anywhere between 2 and 20 cents. Once you have $10, you can cash out via PayPal. Number 4. Cash for Minutes. Cash for Minutes is somehow a unique member of this list. Unlike most of the sites, you can join this website to earn money by calling phone numbers that are listed on the site. The site offers you to turn your unused calling minutes into cash each month by joining the site. The site has you listen to internet radio broadcast in the background of your phone call. Each time you're on the phone, a radio channel is playing in the background. Furthermore, it's recommended that if you want to sign up for this site, that you should have a phone carrier that offers you free calling minutes to 0870 and 0845 numbers. You can earn money by using your landline or your mobile phone. The pay rate is about 8 cents per minute, and as far as payment options, you have a few including PayPal, Bitcoin, Livecoin, as well as Amazon gift cards. Number 3. Earnably. Earnably is one of the newer GPT sites out there, having formed in 2015, but nevertheless, they've quickly made a name for themselves, having attracted tens of thousands of users during this time and awarding over $1,500,000 in rewards to their members. Earnably focuses primarily on paid surveys, although there are a number of other online activities you can do to earn rewards, including watching videos, referring friends, or taking advantage of offers from its various partners. The pay rate varies depending on the task at hand. Once you have $2, about 225 points in your account, you can cash out via PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. Number 2. Current Rewards. Current Rewards is basically a lock screen app. It pays you for listening to any one of over 100,000 stations on your smartphone's lock screen. Getting started is very easy. Install the app on your phone, then swipe up on your phone's lock screen and choose a station to listen to. You earn credits for listening to each station. You can redeem your credits for gift cards, cash, and other prizes. Number 1. Radio Earn. Coming in at number 1 on our list is Radio Earn. This is another way to make some extra money for free by simply listening to the radio. It's as simple as signing up for free and start earning by clicking on your radio links. If you have a blog or website, you can make much more since they let you use your API to integrate the radio on your site so you can earn more points from your visitors listening to the radio. According to the company, you earn a certain number of points for every 15 minutes you listen. Your points are converted into cash, USD. They offer a few payout options that include bank transfer, wire, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, and PayPal. What else? We're done. Tell us what you think in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And until next time, goodbye.